right here on Worthington Avenue. So, alright, so on Worthington Avenue, just past the University College of the Caribbean. Alright guys, and just a little correction, it's actually the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean. That's what we just passed on the left when the video started, the blue building. So that's a university right there at the top of Worthington Avenue. Alright, so what we wanted to take a look at as well is this construction right here on the right. It's a commercial development. It was being developed as a BPO. I think the construction is completely finished now. It's like 1, 2, 3 story. It's very long, not necessarily wide, but it's quite long. It's a decent space. But you know, with BPO, you know, once the building is built, they don't need a tenant. They need someone to lease this space. So I'm not sure if it's already leased. Let me see if I can give you guys a better shot. But the building itself looks quite finished. Maybe just doing some polishing up touches. I did a few other videos on this before. I'll put one of the very first video I did in the comments, so you guys can see where it's coming from. Alright, so this is a better view. The colors are not bad, and again, it's a big space. The walls are high, so it would be hard to see if it's underground parking. But I think this was built as a BPO. I guess any work that's happening is probably just some interior work and, you know, some polishing up work as well. So it's right here on Worthington Avenue. I just wanted to get an update for you guys. Alright, so this is the building. Very high wall, high fence. So we're in New Kingston, Jamaica. And again guys, welcome back to the channel. You know I'm Rush, the Discover Boss. And it's another, I guess we can call this an update. Just looking at this construction here. So this is a construction update video along with driving involved as well. So won't be able to see much, but just to giving you guys an update as well. If you're new to the channel guys, or if you have watched a few videos and haven't subscribed as yet, remember subscribing is completely free. And remember to like the video, leave a comment, share as well. Alright guys, so let's take a alright guys, so we're just gonna head down the road, turn so I can show you guys probably a side view. Let's see how that works out. It's raining now, it's not very heavy. So this road leads back to Oxford Road. I guess we can turn right here, right outside of Allied Insurance Brokers. And also in front of Avis Car Rental. That's them across the road. So they also have used car for sale. Island Car Rental is also over there. And just a correction, I don't think this is Avis, I think this is really Island Car Rental, which is, you know, a big car rental company here in Kingston, Jamaica. So that's a side view guys. Just wanted to give you a side view shot of the construction. So you can see a better look at the size and the length of the complex as well. guys, so definitely let me know what you think. Definitely leave your comments. Let me know what you think about the colors as well. Alright guys, so we're gonna head into New Kingston from this side. So you guys stay tuned for that. And again, thanks for watching, thanks for clicking. Do watch to the end. Alright, so we're gonna take Oval Road into New Kingston. So an apartment complex over there, older type. And on the left we have the Peace Corps. Then in front of us we have the Courtly Auditorium. We'll take this left turn right here on Brisbane Road. And then in front of us is another commercial property, ITEL BPO, ITEL Smart Solutions. So that's a call center right there. So in New Kingston, there are a lot of car centers, over 10 in and around New Kingston. And then we have Spanish Court Hotel right here on the right. So that's Spanish Court Hotel. And we are in New Kingston. Alright, so Spanish Court Hotel still on the right. Alright, so we're gonna go through the Texaco gas station to go back on Trafalgar. So that's it guys, just wanted to highlight that BPO, and then we drove from there back in New Kingston from Worthington Avenue, and over there is the British High Commission. So if you know, you know, that's where you go to reach England. Right, so thanks for watching guys, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, thanks for clicking on this video, and thanks for all the support. And I'll definitely see you on another video guys.